Hi, it's Phil here. I'm here today to show you my Honda CR-V. As you can see, it's an 0909. It's a 2.2 DCI diesel ES model. It's 3 owners from new plus myself. It is a category N car. It's had the front wing repaired, not even changed, repaired, and it had the back quarter painted just there, which we put a new one on, and that's it. Insurance gone mad. But there you go. So let's start from the beginning. So taking in the bonnet and the roof, the car's done 89,000 miles, 3 owners plus myself. It's got 5 MOTs with Honda. It's got 3 services with Honda. It looks like it's just had new discs and pads all the way around. Taking the line of the car down there. Now it's the ES model, nearly top of the range. It's got all the toys in it, electric windows, headlamp wash, parking sensors, aircon. Taking in the line of the car. As you can see, it's got the privacy glass as well, which looks super. I think it's the best looking Honda that they do, respect of colour coordination. It's 12 months MOT on the car with no advisories. Taking the wheels, all the wheels and tyres are good. There's nothing I would point out. If there's anything that I thought that was out of the ordinary with the car, I would point out, but genuinely on this, there's nothing I can say, oh god, there's this. As you can see, it's got the parking sensor in the front, so it's got the headlamp washers on it. So there you go. So what I'll do now is I'll take you inside the car, so I'll see you in a sec. Hi, it's Phil again. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take you inside the car, starting with the engine bay. So this is a HD video, so you can stop and start it, and you can absolutely go inside it. Proper look at the car. As you can see, it's all present and correct. Okay, so we'll take in the driver's side now. Taking in the door card. Now it's the ES model, so it's got electric windows all the way around, central locking and so on. It's also got your folding mirrors, headlights that go up and down, your multifunction steering wheel, your CD player, air conditioning, 6-speed box. So it has all the toys in it that you need. You've got parking sensors and your, as you can see, and your headlight wash wipe. Taking in the seats. Now, as I've said, it's only done 89,000 miles. It's 3 owners plus ourselves. The service history is great as well. It's got 5 MOTs with Honda, up to I think about 77,000, and then it's got 3 services with Honda as well. And we've just done a full service on it as well. So the car's ready to go, 12 months MOT with no advisories. Taking the boot, the spare wheel's never been on. As you can see, it's got the parking sensors as well. Door card again. They just last and last and last, these cars, and they're so reliable, and they hold the money really well. Okay, so there you have it. If you need any further information on the car, give us a call. My name's Phil. My number is 07775 038 270. And don't forget, it's got 3 services with Honda, it's got 5 MOTs with Honda, it's just been serviced. This is a Cat N car, It's had the front wing repaired. That's all. Insurance gone mad. So, if you need any information, give us a call. Thanks for watching the video, and I hope to hear from you soon.